Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your favorite coin to trade, Athena. No, I just wanted to cover it. I mean, this is personally a coin that I've been trading here and there, and it's obviously it's been one of the most hyped up launches in April, which is not a very difficult thing to do because we haven't had that many launches in April. But no, Athena is backed by some big influencers. They're also backed by some big market makers. Performed very, very well at the start of April, and I know that a lot of you are still trading it, including myself. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts, right? Because overall, Athena has been doing quite well in the last couple of days as well. Since Thursday, when we had that bearish momentum, Athena so far, I wouldn't want to call it bullish, all right? But what you can see is that we are no longer bearish. We have broken above the 28 EMA, we've broken above the 50 EMA, and we're kind of holding that. So what you can see is that we were bearish right here. You can also see the trend line, which I'll delete in a moment. Got this double bottom right here, and then from that double bottom we found strong support and also some bullish confirmation with those bullish breakouts to at least assume that this is not just, well, it could still be a bearish flag, but due to the market circumstances, I would say it isn't. Now, then you would say what's the most likely direction then, all right? Because we have turned a little bit bullish from this bearish momentum, but we're not super bullish, all right? If you look at the 1 hour time frame, the price is kind of floating on top of this minor support level right here at like 1.03 and 1.035. That's true, and that's holding up fairly well so far. Most of the EMAs are also below the price, but the EMAs are also almost falling flat, all right? And flat EMAs means that we are in a consolidation. So then we are no longer bullish, we are also not bearish, but we're just moving sideways. And then if you look at the momentum that Athena has right now, what you can see there, so we'll look at everything, all right? So you have a good picture of what's most likely. If you look at the momentum, we had some strong momentum coming in on Saturday and especially on Friday. That caused the 2 bullish breakouts. But since then, it's been neutral as well. So at this moment, I think the most likely scenario and the most likely direction for Athena is just sideways. All right. And I know that's very, very, very boring. But if you look at it right now, all right, well, Bitcoin, I would say Bitcoin is a little bit more bullish than bearish. All right. And all altcoins, Athena included, are correlated to Bitcoin. So that's why I would say also after the reversal that we had, I would say it's a little bit more likely that Athena will get bullish momentum. But if you look at everything on the short term, so what the situation is right now, we are not bullish. So yeah, it's waiting for that momentum to kick in. That's the main thing, all right? The total value locked right here, coincidentally, is also flat. So the situation for Athena, in short, it's just that we're neutral, and that's the situation, right? I would say that if you want to identify some sort of a consolidation range here, I would say it's probably between like 97 cents. That would be the main support level right here, and then the main resistance level is very obviously this some sort of a level up here between 1.12 and 1.15. So we are consolidating in this region, and what we're looking for is for the momentum to increase or decrease. If the open interest or the momentum starts to increase right here, then we can actually start talking about a continuation of this uptrend, if you want to call it like that. And then we can start talking about potentially breaking above 1.12 and 1.15 and rallying up higher. And due to the market circumstances, like I said, I would say this is a bit more likely. The funding rates are also turning, well, not all of them, but the funding rates are also slowly turning positive again, which is good for their positions, backing their stablecoin, USDE. So fundamentally, I would say that's a little bit bullish. Like I said, Bitcoin is relatively bullish, so I'm weighing towards being bullish. But honestly, I would wait for that open interest. All right, if the open interest starts to free fall here, we'll get a bearish breakout and we'll continue to be bearish. Otherwise, if it starts to rally, we can get that bullish breakout. For now, I think it's most likely to zoom back in again, that we will now fall back down towards this level right here between 1.03 and $1, find support there, get back up to 1.1, just consolidate there until the open interest starts moving. Now, if that happens, I'll be the first to tell you, but for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.